Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make amazing money with the 24/7 automated futures trading bot of Bybit, which is not only beginner friendly but also has a very low minimum investment requirement, so you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to just get started with a bot. So let's not talk too much guys and get straight in the video with how to set up your Bybit futures grid bot. So the first thing you gotta do is just go to the top of the description of this video, click on the partner Bybit link and make sure to sign up using my promo code guys to support the channel. So after you made an account, the next steps are really easy. So just on the Bybit homepage, go to the top and click on Trade for Trading Bot or even on Tools for Trading Bot and just click on it. After you clicked on it, you can see you can enter the Bybit Trading Bot. I'm currently running a bot as well. I will show you my results in a bit, but let's start this off. So the first thing we're gonna go is scroll down. Don't go to this leaderboard guys. A lot of people copy this, but this is just a coin going really up and people just making money of it, but this will not work again guys. This worked once, so don't do that guys. You will lose money. Just go to futures grid bot. It's an ideal for any market condition. That's why I like futures grid bot, and just click on it. So after you clicked on it, you can see that we're in the futures grid bot. So what I would always recommend is just using the AI strategy. Don't bother with normal guys, it's too difficult. AI strategy is based on a bot who calculates everything and knows how to make money. So you got three options. Neutral, that means the bot will buy if it goes up or down. You have long. This means that the bot will only buy if it goes up, and short, that it will only buy or make money when it goes down. So I wouldn't bother with long or short because I don't really think they're good, because if the coin crashes you will lose money with longs. If the coin goes up really hard, you will lose money with a short. So always go to neutral, and the bot already decides what to do. But as you can see with Bitcoin guys, the APR is only 34.68% and you already have to invest $112 without even trying it guys. So if we take a look at the rest, we can see that there's Ethereum as well. Ethereum has like 161 you need to invest at least. It got an APR of 21.64, which isn't really that high guys. So basically what you can also do is you can just click here and then click on the 24-hour range, which will make sure this will be the best one you can get, and then you just go for a coin you believe in guys. And also a second tip is go for a coin which always goes up and down but stays in the same price range. But for you guys, I've got a coin which many of my viewers already are doing and which is making amazing money, so let's just go straight to that coin. So the coin I'm talking about guys is Render Token. As you can see, Render Token RNDR is way better than Bitcoin. Ethereum has a minimum of $0.45 to start with, even though you won't make any money with that. But look at the APR, 250% guys. It's way better than Ethereum, way better than Bitcoin. And why do I actually like it? Well, one, I like the project because I think it has a nice future. But the second thing is guys, look at the 1 hourly graph. Can you see the bottom here? So this is from the 1st of January, so 6 days ago guys. Look at the bottom, it always goes back to that same bottom. And look at the top as well, it always goes back to the same top. So look at these ups, look at these downs. So the bot will buy here and sell going up, it will buy here and sell going down. And that's why this bot has a great APR of 250%. There's one key thing before I show you how much profit you make and how much I made, is always watch out for this price range. because currently it's at 0.41, but let's say that render goes up really hard to like 0.43 or 44, then this bot won't do anything anymore because it will not buy outside the range. As it says already, based on a 14-day back set, this strategy is suitable to run for 14 to 30 days. So this is what I didn't say in my previous video. Look at your bot price, because if render goes up tomorrow and it skyrockets to $45, this bot won't do anything. I mean $0.45. So that's when you have to literally terminate the bot, guys, and start making a new bot with render. So always keep a notice. I say 24 automatic. It's automatic unless the bot really goes up or down. And now, guys, the moment you've been waiting for, how much profit did I make and how much profit can you make with bot trading? So as you can see, guys, in 7 days time, I made a profit of 8%, guys. So let me tell you how much it actually is. So if we have a trading bot making 8% a week, the profits, if we would invest $100 a day, would be $8 per week. If we invest $250, $20 per week, $500, $40 per week, $1,000, $80 per week, $2,500 would mean $200 a week, $5,400 and $10,800. So to make $250 a week, you would have to invest like $3,000. But guys, always remember compounding, because after a week, if we start like with 100, we will have 108. Another week, if we have 108, we will get 10, and that will go on, guys. So you can just compound your way in. You will always make more and more money. But I'm realistic with you guys. These other YouTubers will tell you you can make $200 a day with like $300. No, guys. If you want to make money, you gotta invest money. But the good thing about a trading bot, you can start even with $1 just to try it out. Start with $10, $20, $30, guys. And you can just get a feeling of the bot, and that's always nice. You don't have to invest hundreds of dollars straight away, guys. You can start getting a feeling with it first. So let's say you want to add more to your bot, and all you gotta do, guys, is just go to your bot, click on investments, and there you can just add more money, guys. Let's say you tried it out with $30 and you want to invest more, or with $50 and you want to add $100 or $200 more. That's the place you can just do it, guys. That's how easy it is. Also, if you want to terminate your bot, so what you're gonna do is gonna go to trade or tools, trading bot, my bot details, and click on terminate if the bot isn't doing what you want or isn't in the price range, guys. So my final tips, guys, are just try the coin which you like. Also, make sure you have neutral and AI strategy. Don't do dumb things. You can start with very low money, so just test it out if you like it. Always make sure that your coin price is still in the price range. So if render goes up to like 0.45, your bot won't do anything, and you will be like, why am I not making money? Because it's not in the price range, and then you have to terminate the bot. Also, guys, be sure if you try this out to click on the link on the top of the description to support the channel. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and I will always answer them. And other than that, guys, like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe for more crypto content, and YouTube. Till next time.